So amines, correct. So one of the most important concepts in organic chemistry, correct, and a very simple one also. So how do you get amines? So basically we can see something like RNH2 and all, where R is the alkyl aryl group, correct. So basically if I take the ammonia NH3 and if I replace one of the hydrogen with what alkyl or aryl groups. So one of the hydrogen group I have to replace with what? Alkyl or aryl group. Alkyl or aryl groups. So RNH2. So RNH2 is a primary amine. But if I take R, one more hydrogen, if I am replacing with R, RNHR, then it is a secondary amine. Correct? RNHR, secondary amine. Same thing, RNR. Here also I'll put one R. So it's a tertiary amine. And what is an aromatic amine? If I just put a ring, C6H5, the benzene ring. NH2. This is my aromatic amine, that's all. So guys, this particular compound, this is called what? Aniline or benzanamine. Or what? Benzanamine. Benzene E is replaced by what? Amine. Benzanamine. This one. That's it. I'll draw one more compound. So what is the name of this compound? So this is NN what? Dimethyl CH3 di. CH3 twice is that. Benzanamine. BNZEN, benzanamine. Now let's see how it is prepared. Preparation of amines. First one, reduction of nitro compounds. That is nothing but what? R alkyl aryl groups, RNO2 upon reduction will give what? RNH2 amine plus water. So in examination, Even if you don't write water, you will get the marks. They are looking for what preparation of amine from this. This is by reduction. Correct? So what is the material mainly we use? We use either palladium or hydrogen or what? Stannous hydrogen chloride. Fine. So basic example, if I want to show you in this, let me take an aromatic compound. NO2, same thing only. Reduction. Will give me an aniline. Will give me aniline to me. NH2. This is nothing but aniline. So this is nothing but a nitroalkane, or I can say this is a nitrobenzene. That's it. So nitroalkane or nitrobenzene, I can say. Either I can use a nitroalkane or nitrobenzene, but here I draw a nitrobenzene respectively. So this will give me a benzenamine or aniline respectively. This is my first preparation, that is by reduction, by using palladium or hydrogen as the catalyst.